Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial I'll show you how to get Apple Intelligence on any iPhone or iPad. Firstly, ensure your device is comparable with the latest developer beta version. Install the latest iOS or iPadOS developer beta, currently the third beta as of right then. Follow Apple's official instructions to install the beta. Now, open Settings, go to General, then Languages and Region. Tap Add a language, then select English US. Set it as your primary language if needed. Now in the Settings menu, return to the main one. Tap Apple Intelligence and Siri. Tap Languages and select English United States. Now, under Apple Intelligence, look for the Join waitlist. Tap it, and after a short wait, usually a few minutes, the button should update to turn on Apple Intelligence. Now all you have to do is stop, turn on Apple Intelligence, a welcome message will confirm activation, and you're now ready to explore Apple's AI features. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.